Hi guys and welcome to Frazone.com. This is Mohit Soni. This car needs no introduction. This is the Maruti Suzuki Jimny that was launched sometime back in the Indian market, and this is something that has also taken the market by storm in terms of enthusiasm, because the sales aspect continues to be a little bit in somewhat of a confusion, because some people think it's great, it's worth the money, some people think it's not. So where the Jimny is headed, we don't know, but what we know about this product is what we're going to tell you now. And this is the car that changes the game for Maruti, a proper lifestyle product. It's an off-roader, it's an SUV, it's got age-old heritage and almost a century-old nameplate, almost a century-old nameplate on it. And what does that offer? Well, as always, let's begin with the design. You get this 5-slatted grille, large LED headlights here with projectors in it. You get fog lamps as well. You get a very focused bumper and a lot of ground clearance on offer as well. You've got these wheels and the silhouette, which looks quite nice. This is the 5-door version made specifically for India, and of course it's being exported as well, and that is where the product is also doing quite better than anticipated. So that's how the car looks like. Of course, needless to say, this green color is putting things into perspective quite well on how flashy things can be. An SUV look with the spare wheel on the tailgate, large lamps, top lamps below, everything integrated very neatly, very well. Flap type door handles are on offer. That's the kind of boot space which is actually quite impressive, and you can actually store a lot of things on offer. That is with the Jimny. You get this body colored hooks here for the seats to stay in check. You get a 12-volt socket here. You get a light here with the inbuilt switch. So that's really efficient engineering by Maruti as always. Quite a heavy door at the back. Let's see the rear seat. How does it feel like? Well, behind my own driving position, still good knee room, leg room. Under thigh support is lacking for my 5'11" height, and you sit a bit upright. The bench is at best for another person, not two more people, and makes it a 4-seater. So this is a proper 4-seater by Maruti in a very long time, and that's why it is also termed as a lifestyle product. One of the many things why it is termed as a lifestyle product. So overall, not really that comfortable. The seat recline at the back is just fine, but yeah, best for small to medium size trips. That's how you open and close the windows at the back, and that's how the interior at the back looks like. Keyless entry and go, push button start, adjustable mirrors are on offer. Height, the seat of course is not adjustable, and nor are the seat belts. This is of course for the recline here. Power window switches are here. This is the child lock button. Power window switches are here as well. The hill descent and traction control buttons here. These are your AC controls, and this is the steering wheel, which we are very similar to now. Apart from that, the age-old Gypsy dials have pretty much made it to the Jimny, and it is a fantastic sight for people who are in their late 30s and 40s, because this brings back a lot of memories. Everybody has been inside the Gypsy once, and similar dials here just make things so much better. In fact, the way to operate them is also very similar via these knobs here, which I think should have been made a little bit more better, but nevertheless, that's your hazard lamp button. The screen from Maruti, which you get everywhere nowadays, is on offer. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto works really well. Sound system is good enough. This is a car where these features don't really matter, but Maruti has put in a full infotainment system, and that's great. Your phone connects really well. You get a tons of as you can see, I can switch this to this, so that's also fantastic. The usual settings are on offer. I checked, nothing new, nothing exciting, but that's how things work. Really impressive. Like I told you, the low range gearbox is on offer. That's how the glove box feels like. Small, deep enough, not illuminated or shielded. Of course, IRVM is also manual. No sunroof, of course. Lights, and that's it. This cabin is a little bit lacking those fancy features, but this car isn't about that. It's all about driving, it's all about off-roading. And how is it to drive? Let's find out. So we're out driving the Maruti Suzuki Jimny. This is the car which is going to be the lifestyle product of Maruti. Let's see how it performs. So we're out driving the Maruti Suzuki Jimny. and we spent a good time with it. We spent some quality time with this product. And what do we think of it after almost putting in the initial 300 kilometers on it? Well, the engine is the 1.5 liter petrol motor. A lot has been said about this engine being paired to this car. We know that it's not really ideal, but let me tell you something. This is one of the last old school cars, really properly old school cars that you can buy in 2024. So a bit of compromise should not be a problem, because the aftermarket world is ready to help you. In fact, immediately after launch, there's a lot of people doing a lot of stuff with the car. So realize what you're getting with this car is also something special. We know Maruti could have done better with their resources, but then everybody is one way or the other limited to certain things. And what we get with this engine is a 5-speed gearbox, which is a bit notchy, and in our test car it's been missing shifts. It's not been really very smooth and very helpful like any other Maruti. And like any other Maruti, the fuel efficiency is also not that great at around 11 kilometers per liter. But these are the two things I always like about most Marutis. Unfortunately, it is the Jimny which does not have it. But what it has is very good low end torque, very good mid range, and the top end is also not that great. What that means is that you can drive within the city, within intercity highways, and do 60, 80, 100, and you will be fine. After that, it is a struggle, and if you have more passengers on board, it is definitely going to be a struggle. So driving it in the city is not going to be a problem. What that also does is that gives you very good off-road capabilities. When you get so much power and torque at the low end and mid range, and you couple that with a very light car, despite having a ladder on frame, the off-road capabilities are surreal. It can go through almost anything. We've in Bombay we are limited with finding a very good off-road patch. You have to go outside the city to do it. Unfortunately, we've been unable to do so, but we know for a fact, with our limited experience in limited runs that we've done in certain off-road locations, this shows a lot of promise. We know the Jimny is really good. We've read international and national stories, and we think that it will live up to the name. What it already does on paper is that with the kind of low end and mid-range power you have, with the kind of lightweight built that this vehicle is, it can go through a lot. It will barely ever get stuck in mud or anything like that, because it does not have the weight to bog it down. So that is a huge sign of it being very, very capable. We'll try and get something from Maruti or anywhere else to get you a proper off-road. You can see certain clips that I am putting in right now of the car doing off-road quite generously and quite hard, and that is the kind of patch that we used as many places we could. So in terms of driving the city on the highway, and that's how it's to off-road, the brakes also could have been better, but then again, I think this vehicle is a little bit it's a test ride vehicle, of course, so it is a little bit battered. What else I can tell you about the Jimny is that it is a great entry into the Maruti portfolio. It is definitely necessary to have something like this, and Maruti's done it despite the conundrum around the pricing. Yes, it is expensive. Yes, discounts were offered. Yes, discounts were taken back, and some people say the discounts still exist unofficially. So you can still go out there and buy the car, and at a very good price also. It's a possibility, and it also depends on your bargaining skills. So the Jimny is here. I hope it is here to stay. I hope Maruti pulls out something else out of it to offer more to the enthusiasts. They've given us quite a lot. They've given this iconic car, iconic name, and let me just spend more time with this car, write about it, and tell you what it can and cannot do. Until then, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Follow us on our social media and website for everyday updates. Until then, goodbye.